Today we will see what we can do in an emergency situation when we have a broken line like this one and no possibility to change it. We made an entire video with tips to mount the lines without problems, but unfortunately sometimes a situation like this can happen and we must handle it. We can have this problem during two parts of the season. If we have the problem after the line mounting, maybe a few months after the mounting, so the line is stick to the cord and doesn't move, our advice is to leave the situation as is and wait the next big maintenance to replace the line. It can be not very beautiful to see, but its features are okay. On the contrary, unmount and replace the line in this situation can be a bit cumbersome to handle. In most of the cases we have this problem during the mounting phase, so we are mounting the line and we find a broken part. In this situation we cannot just pull the line as is, this because the line will likely break again, but in any cases it will be not straight. In this situation we can solve the problem using just a normal plastic strip. Please pay attention to use the most thick and large strip you have. If we have the line totally broken, we can use two strips. In any cases we just insert the strip using the holes near the breakage and with this thick part pointing to the ground. Then we can cut the strip and pull the line as normal. Okay, now the line is pulled and it's very straight. Okay, this is all for today. I hope this short video can be helpful. If you have doubts or questions, down in the comment or on our website. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.